What up, YouTube? Back with the Am Ryker Shadow Black. What I'm going to be doing is show you how to fix those crazy looking wheels that rust into getting something looking real nice. Stay tuned. Of your old rusty knuckles on your Ryker to something more attractive like this. Center cap, no rusts, and that center cap is reflective. I'm going to show you exactly what I do to engineer this. I got the idea from another guy off of YouTube. He painted it, but I'm going to show you how I did mine. Alright, this is what I bought. These are sink end caps to cover the sink. Got a 4-pack for $10, and I ordered these round black reflective stickers to go over it. Nice quality. Got it off of eBay for $5. What I'm gonna do is use those to get that look, to get that rust look out of the knuckle part of your wheel that holds on the Ryker wheels. Alright, so YouTube, these things come in different sizes. I think it's any range of sizes depending on the look you want to get. Those are the 1/4 inch, 1 1/4 inch. That snaps into the Ryker. If it's not an exact fit, what's good about it, you get yourself a pair of pliers. And these can be spread open or closed tighter, depending if you want your cap to be a little larger on the top or smaller. I wanted mine to sink right in. So the back wheel doesn't show much rust, which is good, but the front two wheels are horrible. So what I do is I center the cap. I use a pair of needle nose pliers to adjust this grip here. They're bendable. I attach the sticker to the front. Nice fit. Some people painted them. Another guy on YouTube bought them and he painted them. They came out beautiful. I didn't want to paint it because I wanted to look a more reflective look. I believe this cost me $11, something like that, off of Amazon. These were like $5 off of eBay. And after I put them in, I'm going to show you the finished look. So what I'm trying to do is get as much as that rust off as I can with sandpaper without sanding the actual paint, the black paint that's there. So what I'm doing is some surface sanding so I can loosen up this rust and then rinse it off before I spray it black. Yeah, this is the ugliest thing on the Ryker, is the fact that these things came out and they started rusting a week after you took it home. And mine's is garage kept. So it's not like it's taking abuse. I mean, you're going to be outside. The weather's not always going to be nice, but it shouldn't rust. Even when I was taking off bolts, when I was doing other type of work, you can see rust on bolts, which is weird. Alright, so as much as the surface rust I get off, I'm gonna just clean it off, wash it down real quick, and let it dry before I paint it. Alright, now that it's all taped up, I'm gonna hit it with a few coats. Let that dry. And then I'm gonna insert the caps. So then you're gonna mask off whatever you can Sand down as much as the rust as you can with sandpaper to get that look out, all that surface rust around here. So after you sand down and clean off all that surface rust, I got a can of this 2x coverage. I'm just gonna black it out, just that area there, couple of bursts, so when I add the caps on, it won't look like there's rust around it. Alright, everything's nice and dry. I'm gonna take my tape off. Sorry if the video's a little dark. I know you could leave it black like that, but I just don't like the hole, and I don't like the fact that the rust comes back. So here's my cap. I just finished making the outside, bending them so they fit exactly, snug and tight. Here's my sticker. Like I said before, it's reflective. I'll put my sticker on, pop it in. Alright, I gotta do this quick because now it is starting to rain. So let me line this cap up here. Popped it in. We line the cap up. It's popped in. It's sitting in there kind of snug. And that's it. That's what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Can-Am Shadow Black Ryker.